All right, so I have my whole eye on. If you want, I will post my tutorial of this eye because I think she's cute. But today is really just for all my girls that cannot put lashes on. I was right there with you, and let me just say, look, I'm not perfect at putting my lashes on, but they're on there. If you're just trying to get to the point where you can get them on your eyeballs, then keep watching. The most important tool for putting on lashes is these lash grippers, tweezers, whatever you want to call them. It allows you to get right up on that lash line and push the lash in without thinking you about to poke your eyeball out. I'm gonna hold her. This is how much lash glue I have on there. I just want to make sure she's coated. I'm gonna maybe let her dry for like 60 seconds or so. And I press her in at the center. I press her in on the end. And I press her in the front. And anywhere you feel like it's not sticking, just hold it. To make sure my real lashes blend in, I come back and I take the little whatever you call this, little applicator, and I kind of push them together. Now I'm gonna put a little mascara on them because my lashes have a little pink shadow. And this kind of helps them blend too. So I'm gonna do that. It also helps to push your lashes up so that you can see them versus them like sitting down. Okay, so get your liner. And I just like to go like very slowly, very precisely, or just take your time. Don't try to rush this part. Go along the band of the lash, just kind of hides it. And if you got any lash glue anywhere, just color on top of it. And I just like to do a little final push up because you want to see the lash. You don't want the lash to be pointing down, you want it to be up. So. There we go. That is my look today. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe and go follow me on Instagram. I put a lot of exclusive content on there, and I will see you guys next time.